Friend, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this socket form roller LH, and you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from the my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So I will close this file and create a new file. So here I have created a new file. First thing I will do is to insert the body, and then I will press the space bar and on my origin plane, and I will select this front plane to draw this profile. So click on the sketch, and I will hide my origin plane, and now here I will create a two circle, and inner one is of 30. Select diameter. Inner one is of 30 and outer one is a 60, and we will draw the tangent line. So we will select line tool, and create a rough profile. Similar way we will do in a bottom side. Select the line tool, and make it tangent, and make it horizontal, and this one is of vertical. Now we will use the trim tool to trim the unnecessary geometry. And now we will constrain it. Select horizontal dimension and give it 24, select horizontal dimension and give it a 90, and here there is a no tangency, so we will give the tangency. So this is our fully constrained profile, and now we will close it, press 0 for isometric, and we will select it, sketch, and click on extrude, and from here we will see it reverse and give the distance 65 mm. Now we will insert a datum plane at a distance of 31. So we will select the face and click on datum plane, and in a Z direction we will give the 31, and we will change the symbol to the minus and click on OK. And now on this plane we will create this profile. We will click on rebuild, select the datum plane, and click on the sketch, select the model and hide it, and from here we will switch to the wireframe. Now here first thing which we will do is to create 3 construction circles. So we will select the circles and draw the 3 circles and select all this and made it construction. And now we will constrain these 3 construction circles. So first select horizontal dimension, select this and this, and provide the value of 71 mm and move it, and this is of a diameter 30, and now this is the diameter of 37. Vertical dimension is of 70 mm, 70, and horizontal dimension is of 27. So horizontal and give it 27, and now this one is of a 54 horizontal dimension, say it 54, and vertical dimension of 33. So select it and give the vertical dimension of 33. Now I will move it, and this is of diameter 30. So select it, give the diameter of 30, and now we will constrain this one. So this is the distance of 41. Select these 2 points and add a vertical dimension and give it 41. So this is the positioning of this construction circle, and based on this construction circle we will create our profile. So first thing which we will do is to project the geometry. We will project this, and this, and from here we will select a line tool and create a line, and we will select a 3-point arc, select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and select this and this and add a tangency, and now we will select this and this and click on the merge, and let's see what is the conflicting. So we will delete it, and this is the radius of 51, 51, and here we will create a line which will be tangent. So we will select a line tool and select these and this and add a tangent, also select this and this and add a tangent, and now I will use the trim tool to trim it, And now I will draw the line at the bottom side, and we will select a 3-point arc, and we will select this and this and add a tangency. Select this and this and add a tangency. And now we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc equal to our construction one. So now here we have the conflict, so we will select it, delete it or deactivate it. So we will simply delete it, and this is the radius of R22, so we will select it and provide the radius of R22. And now here we will select this and click on the merge, and here we will delete the constraint, and we will also delete it. So here is we will again give the 22, and this and this we will give the equal relation. And now we will draw the line here, which is this profile. So we will create a rough profile, and we will make it tangent. We will select this and this and add a tangent. Click on the trim to trim it, and now we will select this line and add a vertical relation. Select this and add the dimension of 1.5, and from center of this construction to this one is of 27, and we will move it. And now we will create a 3-point arc to exactly to this projected edge. Sometimes FreeCAD solver give lots of errors, so we will keep the patience, and we will delete it and we will give it equal. And now here we will close the profile, select this to this and this to this, and we will delete this conflict. And now it is unconstrained, so we will constrain it. So this is the 22 mm from the center. So from here to here, select the vertical dimension and give it 22. And now we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc and create a equal to our construction. And here we will remove this conflict, and we will drag it and select this and this and made it equal. So our file is fully constrained, and we will come out of it and click on close, and press V7 for shaded view. Select the edge and click on extrude and give it 11 mm and click on symmetric to the plane. Click on OK. And now we will select the face, and we will create this profile. Click on sketch, and here we will switch to the wireframe and click on the project geometry, and here we will create a construction circle. Select this and add a dimension of 70 mm, and this is of diameter 37. Select it and 37, and select horizontal dimension, select this and add a value of 27, and here we will make it a construction. And now we will select the line tool and create an angular line, and select this point and add a horizontal dimension of 6 mm, and we will select one more line and we will add the parallel relation, and here we will select this point and this line and add a dimension of 27, and here we will select this and add a tangent relation, because this is the tangent. And now we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and we will move it and made it equal. First we will delete it, select this and add equal, add a coincidence. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will close it and we will extrude it to the 37.5. Press V7 for shaded and select the sketch, click on extrude and select on the reverse, and here wire is not close, so here we will select the sketch and click on the validate and select the, so here is a trouble, so we will close it. We will switch to the wireframe and let's see what happened here. So here is wire not closed, so we will select the line tool, create a line, and then again we will select a 3-point arc, and let's see what is the unconflict. Say delete it. So now our wire is closed. Press V7, select the sketch and click on extrude and give it value 13.5, and now we will create this boss. So for this we will select this backside face and click on the sketch and switch to the isometric, click on the project geometry, and we will create a circle and give it a diameter of 22. Click on close and we will extrude it. Press 0 for isometric, select the sketch, click on extrude, say reverse and give the value 22, click on OK, and now we will create this boss. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch. So here we can see that it is a 19 to 19, means 38. So we will place the isometric, and here it is of 11 mm, so we will select this face and insert a datum plane and insert at a distance of 5.5, and we will make it minus. Click on OK, select the plane, rebuild it and click on the sketch, and we will click on the project geometry, and now we will create a circle equal to the projection, and again click on the circle, create a circle, and this is of the 12.67. Select diameter and give it a 12.67. click on OK, and here it is of 19 mm, 1938. So we will select the sketch, click on extrude and give it 38 and keep it symmetric to the plane, and click on OK. Now we will hide this datum plane, and now we will create this extrusion. So for this, here if we see, here is a value 14 and 24. So first thing which I will do is to select the face and click on the sketch and click on the project geometry. We will project it and create a circle, and again select a circle and select diameter and provide it 14.32. click on OK, and here we will create a extrusion. So if you see here, so this is the 14 mm and here it is of 24. So this is the face which is a 5 mm. So we will click on extrude, select the reverse, and here we will give it a 5.5 and click on the reverse. Let's cancel it, and here we will define the plane at a distance of 5.5 because this is the 14 mm which will be the symmetric. So we will delete it, and we have the datum plane already at a center. So we will use the same datum plane and click on the sketch and click on the project geometry and press a space bar and hide it. Go to the wireframe, select the circle and give it of 14.32. so select diameter and give it 14.32 and click on close, press V7 for the shaded view, select the sketch, click on extrude and give it 14 and keep it symmetric to the plane. And now we will switch to the isometric, and now we will create this hole here which is of a dia 7 drill. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and here we will select a circle, create a circle, and we will click on the project geometry and project this all three edges, and here we will create a 3-point arc and select this and this and add a tangent, select this and this and add a coincidence, select this and add a vertical relation, and select radius and provide it of radius of R9. And now we will select circle and this arc and click on the merge, and we will make it construction we will select a diameter and view it of 7 mm. Click on close, click on cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will give this fillet. So for this we will select this edge, click on the fillet, and here I will give value 7.499, and again I will select it and click on OK. So here we have given the fillet, and now we will create a cut. So here is a cut, so we will select the face and click on the sketch, and here I will project the edge. I will select this and this, and here I will project this horizontal and top of the bottom, and now I will click on the rectangle and create a rectangle. Select coincidence, select this and this, and add the horizontal dimension. Select horizontal dimension, select this and this, and add a value of 5, and this I will give the approximate of 25. Click on close, and we will click on extrude cut, and we will give the cut of 5 mm. Say OK. So this is how we have successfully modeled this socket from roller from the scratch. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial.